Do a 360? No, sir. I will bust my cranium. I'm not trying to bust my cranium today, sir. We're going to do a live stream on the scooter, though. You better believe that. Scooter live stream is coming. Yes, sir. Oh, up close and personal. Boy, I look like a goddamn Power Ranger with this. I'm the Black Ranger. I am the Black Doordash Ranger. I'm a Doordash Power Ranger. Go ahead, somebody clip this. I'm finna clip this and I'm finna, matter of fact, here, save a highlight. Boom. I'm a Doordash Power Ranger. I'm gonna put a Doordash logo right here. Then I'm gonna put a Doordash symbol right here. I'm about to have the best Doordash outfit out of any content creator. You know how Bentley Coupe and Yo Driver Mike, they got their little Doordash logo? Nigga, I got a whole helmet. They ain't got shit on me. I got a whole helmet. The fuck? Show me the person with the Doordash helmet. All right, let's get y'all back set up. Hold on. Boom, just like that. Hopefully that stays. Damn, we only got 91 people up here. What the fuck? I'm trying to take this helmet off, man. Come on, y'all ain't fucking with me. God damn. YouTube is not pushing me today, boy. That shit is real life. All right, let's turn this air on so I don't die there. Let me get some ventilation. Whew. Let me get a little air up in this motherfucker. God damn. This Uber Eats ain't went off since. That's some bullshit, boy. I swear. Shout out to all the new people in the chat. If you new, you just not stopping by, hit that like button for me so I can get some air. Because I can't breathe. Which way? Down or up? Hey, look, it doesn't matter. Just hit the like button. That's all that matters. Woo! I don't know, man. I'm out here wilding out, Quill. Look, I'm out here. I got this helmet on. I'm in the car. You know, 77 degrees. I don't know what I'm doing. Black Doordash Ranger. That's crazy. I swear. I'm the Black Doordash Ranger, okay? Go ahead. Hook it up for me. For real. Ain't young, but flying is fun. It is. Side by side guy. What's up? Hit that like button. Do a 360. I can't. I ain't got the skills yet. I don't know how to pull that off just yet, but I'm a train. And look, this is just my first scooter right here. This is my very first electric scooter. High-powered electric vehicle, okay? Now, I had e-bikes, but no, that e-bike only went like 20 miles an hour. This bad boy right here, this bad boy hit 45 miles an hour. Stop playing with me. I'm out here delivering milkshakes, chicken nuggets, and hot fries and everything else. Zooming down the street, cutting through traffic, all of that. Shout out to Electric Scooter Academy. He the one that taught me how to drive in traffic on the scooter and deliver these nuggets and these fries. Shout out to, hold on, let me find this channel real quick. Because I don't want to say it wrong. What's dude channel name? It's a brand new e-bike channel. Here, e-bike food delivery channel. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. Cause I was just on his channel and I watch all his videos too. I told him. He commented on my community post and I let him know. I said, bro, I watch all your videos. So stop playing with me. Let me go to my community tab. Oh shit, we at 17.2. Let's get it. Hold on, that. Damn, that thing loud as hell. I got a whole helmet on and I can hear that motherfucker. Let's see, what's his channel name? Charged and Cruise. Charged and Cruise. Check him out, y'all. He on the e-bike. He got 46 subscribers. Look, if you like watching people deliver chicken nuggets and hot fries and ice creams on the e-bike, you need to go ahead and check him out because he definitely on his way up. I'll be watching him. I'll be watching Electric Scooter Academy, Yogi Steve up there in LA, out there in LA. Who else I'll be watching? I'll be watching all the people who got the high-powered e-bikes and the e-motorcycles, just like the reviews and shit. But especially anybody that's got those type of vehicles and is integrated with the gig economy. Who else? What was dude's name? It was on the tip of my tongue, but basically it was some people out there. Oh, Adrian McPherson up in New York. He be on the e-bike doing this thing. It be a couple people out there on them Surons and them Telarias. They be out there doing them deliveries. Let's go. Bike in DC. Yep, Bike in DC. Can't forget him. Who else? Weissler. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but he another one. Then we got the Motorcycle Dasher. Yep, on me. They getting all the profits. I'm trying to get me some of that the economy profit too. Let's get it. We ain't got 100 people in here yet, so I'm keeping the helmet on, baby. You know it is cool though, because I'm gonna have lots